I was talking today with some of you, and I heard that some of you guys came here with a drone taxi today. So cool, congratulations. I'm joking, yeah, okay? Anyway, if I tell you that I buy the latest iPhone or Amazon and it came by drone, would you believe me? Yes? Really? Okay, anyway, have you ever wondered why there is all this bragging about drone doing incredible stuff everywhere and then nothing is really going on? I mean, drone taxi, drone delivery, drone defibrillator, drone ambulance, drone everything, okay? But still, we wait days, weeks, we wait years and nothing is happening. Why? The thing is very easy. Collision between airplanes. That's the actual problem that don't allow drones to be out there today. Just 10 days ago, we had the first official crash of a drone against a commercial airplane. And so this is why all this business is hindered today. It's a pity because this stuff, it's really cool, you know? Anyway, we have the solution to this. By simply providing air traffic data to drones, we can allow them to avoid collision with air traffic. How do we do so? With our device, we call it a microcontrol tower. What the microcontrol tower does is detecting the position of airplanes. We give the position of airplanes to drones, and then them automatically, as you're seeing on the screen, will be able to avoid collision with air traffic. That's the idea. Once the danger is passed, the drone can continue doing its automating mission. Yeah, today, we really believe that this is the missing piece to have all this new drone application up and running. So we are really excited to use this system in order to allow the development of the drone industry. What we want to do is do a network, a huge network of those control towers, which will cover all a nation, for example, so that we will be able to detect air traffic everywhere in the world. Then our clients will simply download this data in real time and be able to do collision avoidance automatically. I didn't mention it before, but drone, of course, it's a very big technological thing, but anyway, they're sort of blind things in the sky. So more or less, with our system, we are giving them eyes. And yes, I think that's it for it. Thank you.